How to use WhatsApp web? Let's go everyone. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got WhatsApp on the screen here guys. I'm going to open the browser here. I'll open Google Chrome. You can open whichever browser you prefer. With the browser open, here in the URL field, you're going to click and type web.whatsapp.com. Typed it in. You can hit enter on your keyboard. You'll be redirected here. There you go. Now you're on the site. Notice that the QR code hasn't appeared yet. There, now it's showing up here. So what are you going to do now? On your WhatsApp, you're going to tap the three dots, go to the link devices option, tap it, and here you'll see the option to connect to a device. In this case, we're going to connect to WhatsApp here on the computer. So you click here to connect. Your phone's camera will open, and now you need to scan the QR code. So you can click OK here. Let's position it for the QR code. You position it. It's already connecting, as you can see, loading the conversations. I'm logging in here through the computer on WhatsApp web. Notice that here the option to disconnect already appears below, and all the conversations have already opened up here, everyone. I'm going to enlarge it here now. Now you have your WhatsApp here on your computer. Here are your conversations, and here are the three dots for options where you can view messages, select conversations, mark, block, and so on. On the side here, there are channels, statuses, and also communities. Down here you have media, everything organized, okay? You can also download WhatsApp for Windows. So that's it. I hope I helped those who wanted to know how to use WhatsApp web on the computer. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too by subscribing to the channel.